All right, y'all, been away a while. I'm back with a new project here, as you can see. Let's check it out. All right, 63 Chevy Stepside, big back window, as you can see. I've had this truck a while now. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on it. A few things I wanna do. Get this fender cut out and fixed. Rocker's not looking bad at all. Got a little dent right there in that back cab corner. Got a aluminum grill out on the front, chrome bumper. On this side, got the same situation going on with the fender. This rocker here ain't looking bad at all neither. Cab corner's looking real good on this side. There's the bed, got a little dent in the fender right there. Tailgate's pretty straight. Back panel ain't looking too bad. Original wood, what's left of it. Found a few things behind the seat, the jack, four-way, this and that. Chrome bumper out back. Here's the problem right up here. Tree fell on the top. I've got some rust issues right up in here and up in the top here, so I'm gonna go ahead and reskin this. That's what the inside looks like. Pretty much all original. Still got the original radio. 3-speed on the column. The mat's still in there. Looks original. Probably original seat. May have been covered once, I don't know. Kick panels are looking real good on both sides. Like I said, this rocker here ain't looking bad at all. Little surface rust out top. Floors ain't looking bad. Doors got some surface rust. They're not eat up real bad. Glove box is still in there with the old cardboard. It's eat up though. So I got some rust issues right up in here, across the top of this cab, and right up in here. Same way on the other side. Most of the rust on this truck is right up here on the top of the cab and on these lower fenders. Get the stainless steel around the windshield, that's cool. But I gotta take that windshield out to get all this rust fixed up here. Everything looks pretty good on this side except for that side over there at the top. Gotta do a little repair right here like I did on that blue and white truck. Original mirror, missing the glass. Door looks about the same way over here. Kick panel looks real good over there. Custom steering wheel. I took these wheels and tires off of that blue and white truck when I first got it and put them on here so I can get it rolling around this and that. The original 6-cylinder, 230, I guess. I really don't know yet till I dig into it. Previous owner said it was locked up, but I'll find out. I'll get to digging in on it. Old truck sat in the barn a good while. I'm the third owner. The second owner didn't have it long enough just to sell it out, so this old hood looks real good all through here. I don't see any rust going on in here. Really straight too, real straight hood. Normally these rust out right in this area, right in here. That's all looking good. Truck's been painted once. You can see right there the shine going on. I'm sure it was originally black, so. Still got the ring around these headlights. I like that, both sides. Grill's in pretty good shape. We'll go ahead and get started on getting this top cut off right here. Get a new skin for that. Still got the tire rack up under there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this bad boy. Put up some more videos. All right, you guys take it easy. Catch you on the next one.